everybody, this is CR number 6, helper video number 4. This will help you answer question number 4 for our multiple choice. It says, if 3x plus 2 equals 20, then what does x equals? Well, this is something we haven't really tackled yet, and so I kind of want to see what you remember from last year. So I'm going to go ahead and start by writing the problem. We have 3x plus 2 equals 20. Now, the whole point of an equation is to solve for x or to get x by itself. In order to get x by itself, remember, I have to get rid of the 3 that's sitting here, and I have to get rid of this positive 2 sitting here. So the first thing we do when we are looking to get rid of the 2 and the 3 when we're doing a two-step equation is we look to do addition and subtraction first. We always move the furthest away and we handle that first from the x, then we handle what is attached to the x directly. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is what I call like building my ladder, building my wall, whatever you want to call it. Anything you do to one side of the wall, you have to do to the other. So in order to move this 2, I want this value to become 0. So what is the opposite of adding 2? Well, it is subtracting 2. Anything I do to one side, other. These become 0. I have 3x equals 18. Hold on for just a minute. Okay, so now I'm left with 3x equals 18. Now I have to ask myself, how is the 3 and the x attached to each other? Hopefully you're saying when they're right next to each other like this, it's multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division, and I show that with a fraction bar. Fraction bar means division. Because I want to get x by itself, I'm going to divide by whatever is attached to the x, which is 3. 3 divided by 3 is just a fancy form of 1, and that's what I want, 1x. So here it is. That's what I want, 1x alone on that side. And then on this side, I'm just going to take 18 divided by 3, and I get the value of 6. So you go ahead and try yours. Good luck.